Okay, good morning class. So today we're looking at geometry chapter 11, angles and lines. So at this point we looked at angles on a straight line, vertically opposite and revolution angles. Not so? Then we spoke about complementary, supplementary. We introduced the fun angles. Not so? And we said this will be fun if and only if. These angles will be equal if and only if those lines are parallel. And what did we call this again? The F is fiction. Corresponding. The U is co-interior. And the co-interior angles adds up to 180. And the N is alternate. Okay. And we spoke about different ways it can be rotated and whatever. So now we're looking at example 5. Example 5 is on page 149. Nope, 148. Okay. So in number 5, the question says, again solve for the unknown letters or the lowercase letters. Okay. Remember, if lines are parallel, what can we use? We can use the fun angles. Not so? Okay, with the fuzz angles. Okay. So, anybody, are we going to solve for A? Firstly, we know in geometry we're going to set up an equation in pursuit of calculating the unknown variables. Okay. So, anybody, are we going to solve for A? Sorry? Can you all see the U here? These co-interior angles. Can you see that, people? Not O, a U. No? If you look at A, there's the Z. This angle would have been equal to there. There's no marking there, so it's not going to make a difference. I can't make the F here for corresponding. However, the U must be again. Not so, people. So what do we know about this U? We know that A plus 112 is equal to 180. Why? Straight line. Not straight line. Co-interior. So you write co-interior. And very important, whenever you use alternate, corresponding or co-interior angles, we must state the set of parallel lines. If you leave that out, you're going to lose a mark. Okay, you guys understand? So, we're going to say that AC is parallel to D. Okay. We must state the lines that are parallel. Okay. Basic equation again, we take it over the equal sign. So, A is equal to 180 minus 112. Give you an answer. 58 degrees. Huh? 68. Right, is there any confusion there? So what I do is I put 68 degrees here. How are we going to calculate B? How are we going to calculate B? Can I go again co-interior? Let's see. Co-interior? No. As that angle plus that angle adds up to 180. But I don't have this angle. Okay? Can I make the corresponding angle? No. So I can use the alternate angles. Do you see that Z there? The Z is now flipped. So this angle here is equal to that angle. So I can say B is equal to 42 degrees. Why? Because it's alternate angles. What must I not forget? parallel lines. We're going to say AC is parallel to DE. Instead of AC, I could have said AB is parallel to DE. Or I could have said BC is parallel to ED. Or. You guys understand? Good. Is there any confusion there? No? Let's look at the next example. Example 6. Look at example 6. So here you have x1, x2. What do you notice about this? He has both two arcs. Can you see that? So if both has two arcs, that's mean to say that those two angles are equal. Can you see that, people? So if you have a triangle looking like this, and you got the arc there and an arc there, that means to say those two angles are equal. If you have this shape here, and you got an arc there and an arc there, that means to say those two angles are equal. If you have an arc here, two arcs here and two arcs here, that means to say that angle is equal to that angle, and so on and so on. Okay. And this would also have two arcs, why? So it's vertically opposite. But anyway, again we have parallel lines. So what must come to mind? Fine. If you okay, those angles are equal, that adds up to 180. Those angles are equal. If and only if, then the lines are parallel. Right, so what can be calculated first? X. How are you going to calculate x? Sorry? Well, look at the x. Can I make a f? Yes. But then x is equal to z. Nothing I can do with it. Not so. Okay? We can make the u. So this angle plus that angle is equal to 180. But you've got three unknowns there. Not going to help us. We can make the z. Not so. That means to say what? X is equal to 50 degrees. Can you see that, people? So x is equal to 50 degrees. Why? It is alternate angles with AC being parallel to B. So this 50. Okay. Which means to say this is also 50 here. Not so. And because it is marked differently here, A1, A2, I must say x1 is equal to x2, which is equal to 50. Why is it 50? Because it's given that x1 was equal to x2. How do I know it was given? By the arcs. Okay. Can I solve for y now? Can I solve angle y? How? Angles on a straight line. So I say 50 plus 50 plus y is equal to 180. Why? Straight line. So what do you have now? Y is equal to 180 minus 50 minus 50, which is 80 degrees. One more. How do you calculate Z? Yes?
So 80 plus 50, 180 minus 80 plus 50 because triangle adds up.
Alright. But is it another easy way? Don't you see the F being formed here? So that angle is equal to that angle. And that is your corresponding. So you're going to say Z is equal to 50 degrees. Why? Corresponding angles with AC being parallel to AB. And there's your 50 degrees. Okay? Will you guys understand? Is there any confusion? No. Okay, so the next two examples I will do in the other class. I'll post the video online later. I'll send you the link for homework. For homework from the other page. I would like you guys to do 1.8 to number 5 or 4. Yeah, 1.8 to 4 or 5. Make it 5. With the others in the block. Now, you guys understand what to do? Alright. So it's 1.8 to number 4. People enjoy the rest of your day. Good morning, class.